Hello students, let us see one more example based on conditional probability. See here, a problem is given. A man and his wife appear for an interview for 2 posts. The probability of husband selection is 1 by 7. That of wife selection is 1 by 5. What is the probability that only one of them will be selected? See here, 2 posts are there and wife and his husband appear for an interview. Husband selection in this interview is 1 by 7. Wife selection in this interview is 1 by 5. And you are asked to find that only one of them will be selected. Let A be the event that husband will be selected and B be the event that wife will be selected. Therefore, probability of A is given, that is husband selection is 1 by 7. Therefore, probability of A is 1 by 7. Probability of wife selection is 1 by 5, that is P of B is equal to 1 by 5. Now given that, assume the independence. Assume the independence means what? That is the 2 events A and B are independent. That is wife selection does not depend on the husband selection. Husband selection does not depend on the wife selection. Therefore, the 2 events, that is A and B, are independent. If the 2 events A and B are independent, then by multiplication theorem we have the selection of husband and wife both is given by, that is probability of A and B means what? Husband will be selected and wife will be selected is given by product of probabilities, that is P of A into P of B. This is by multiplication theorem. If the events are independent, then their common occurrence is just the product of their probabilities. Okay. So P of A is equal to 1 by 7, P of B is equal to 1 by 5. So P of A intersection B is 1 upon 35. Up to this you will understand. See here, I have drawn a Venn diagram. In this diagram we can see this is our A and this part is our B. Now this is the intersection part. This is the probability of both A and B will be selected, that is wife and husband will be selected. Already we have calculated this is 1 upon 35. Now we are asked to find only one of them will be selected. Only one of them will be selected means only husband will be selected. Only husband will be selected is this part. See here, only husband is selected is this part. In this part, only husband is selected, and in this part, only wife is selected. In this part, only wife is selected. So, only husband is selected means what? What is the probability of only husband is selected? So, we have to subtract from A the intersection part P of A by B. The intersection part A by B. So, intersection is 1 upon 35. Therefore, first we have to find probability of only husband is selected. That is, probability of A is selected, only husband is selected means what? Husband is selected and wife will not be selected. That is probability of this part. That is probability of this part. Okay, this part. How you can find the probability of this part? Now we have find the probability of this part using, now probability of this part, that is only husband is selected, this part. We have to remove from probability of A the probability of A intersection B. So, probability of only husband will be selected is, probability of only husband is selected is P of A intersection B bar. This is given by P of A minus P of A intersection B. Why? Because this is total A, husband selection, but wife will not be selected. So, we have to remove this common part. So, P of A minus P of A intersection B. So, this is equal to 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 35. So, 1 upon 35 can be written as 7 into 5. 35 can be written as 7 into 5. This is equal to 1 upon 7 into 1 upon 7. Take 1 upon 7 common from these two. So, this is the 1 here minus 1 upon 5. This is equal to 1 by 7. Just cross multiplication. 5 into 1. 5 minus 1 divided by 5. That is 4 by 5. This is equal to 4 upon 35. So, probability of only husband is selected is this. Now, we have to find probability of only wife is selected. Only wife is selected. So, we have to remove the probability of from probability of A, we have to remove probability of this part, A intersection B. So this is equal to probability of only wife is selected means husband is not selected, that is A bar means husband is not selected and wife is selected. So this is equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. So P of B is 1 by 5 and P of A intersection B is 1 upon 35. Similarly, taking 35, writing 35 as a 7 into 5, taking 1 by 5 common, we have 1 minus 1 upon 7. Just cross multiplication, 7 minus 1 divided by 7, that is 1 upon 5 into 6 by 7. So this is equal to 6 into 1, 5 into 7, this is 6 by 35. Now, probability of only one will be selected is given by either husband is selected or wife is selected. So this can be given as these two events are mutually exclusive. Therefore, P of A intersection B bar union P of A bar intersection B is equal to just P of A intersection B bar plus P of A bar intersection B. This is equal to 4 upon 35 plus 6 upon 35. 4 plus 6 is 10 upon 35. This is equal to 2 by 7. How this is 2 by 7? 5 2s are 10 and 5 7s are 35. So probability of only one will be selected is 2 by 7. Hope you understood, students. Thank you.